Hey everyone, welcome to Life Made Simply. My name is Nikki, and today's video we're talking about smart home lighting. Hi everyone, I'm Nikki and welcome to my channel. If you've been following along, I'm partnering with the Home Depot to bring you some smart home devices to help simplify your everyday life. This is the final video and I'm really excited to be sharing some smart home lighting, as well as just talking about all the products I've been sharing and how it all works together in your home. If you're new here to this channel, I invite you to subscribe to join the Simple Life Society, where we share our tips and inspiration for simple living. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at Made Simply Home for more home decor inspiration. Today we're talking about lighting. Lighting can really set the mood and really change the style of your whole entire house. So today I'm talking about a switch and dimmer kit from Caseta, and I love it because it's so easy to use and you can turn any bulb in your house into a smart bulb. So when I started researching about smart home lighting, I saw that the individual Bluetooth bulbs itself kind of were pricey, and I didn't want to change everything because it would just cost a lot. So I learned that you could change any dimmable bulb into a smart bulb by changing the switch that it's connected to. So that's why I got this Caseta wireless smart lighting dimmer switch and remote kit for your wall and ceiling lights. So it includes your dimmer, remote, and a smart bridge. So this kit has a smart bridge which helps you connect it to your Alexa or your Google Assistant and more. And it also comes with a remote that helps provide control of your lights from anywhere in your home. I love that it's easy to use and simple to set up. I was a little nervous about having to take out my light switch and do the wiring myself. It's a really easy DIY installation. You're able to do it in 3 easy steps, under 15 minutes with some simple tools. Before installation, be sure to turn off the power to the circuits that you're working on. Remove the existing wall plate and pull the switch from the wall. You will see 3 wires for a single pole switch. Unscrew all 3 wires using a screwdriver and pull the 3 wires to release and remove it from your existing switch. The Caseta wall dimmer will have corresponding wires. Attach the green wire to the copper ground wire using the wire connector, and then connect the remaining wires in the wall box to the wires on the switch using the rest of the connectors. To connect the wires, place them closely together and add the connector and secure it by twisting clockwise. Tuck the wires back in the wall box and secure it to the wall using the provided screws. Finish by snapping on the provided wall plate. This dimmer switch has 4 buttons, 1 for on and 1 for off, as well as 2 for adjusting the brightness. To install the smart bridge, connect the power USB and Ethernet to the smart bridge and plug the Ethernet cable into your router, and now you can connect it using your app. Hey everyone, I hope you're enjoying the video. If you are, give it a thumbs up. For the question of the day, I would like to know what smart home devices you're interested in. Leave them down as a comment below. So there are a few ways you can control your lights. You can use the remote, the wall switch itself, and the app that you can download onto your phone. So for this particular switch, I am using the Philips bulbs. This is the 60-watt dimmable ones, and they're really easy to install. They're just like a regular light bulb that you twist in. So I decided to install it into a floor lamp in our living room, so we're able to dim the lights up and down, which really just helps set the mood, because right now our lighting isn't so great. We kind of just have ones in the ceiling, and I wanted one that I could control, especially when we're just having time together as a family in the living room watching a movie, having some downtime together. We're able to kind of just dim the lights a little bit and just adjust it to our needs. Another really cool feature is you're able to set your lights to automatically turn on or off with your schedule, and it's really personalized in that way. They also have a smart away feature, which is perfect if you're traveling or you're away from home. It will randomly turn on and off your lights, making it appear that you're home, and this just also helps deter theft, and it's just a good security feature to have. It also works with your voice assistant, which is really important if you're trying to do that whole ecosystem of smart home devices in your house. It can be easily controlled with your Google Home or your Amazon Alexa. I will have the link to the one I have down below in the description box to shop it now at homedepot.com. I'm just gonna do a quick recap on some of my smart home items that I've been sharing with you here, all from homedepot.com. I also have all of the videos that you can watch down below in the description box, but all of it just works all together, and I love that each smart home device I've been talking about has its own category and purpose and just helps simplify your everyday life. I love that everything just works together as a whole ecosystem of smart home devices that you can have in your home for security, entertainment, a Bluetooth tracker, as well as lighting. I'm so happy I got to review these items for you, and thank you Home Depot for working with me and sponsoring these videos to help share it. And I will have more reviews also on my blog madesimplyco.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos and check out these products at homedepot.com. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.